underwater in the dark hole deep. I'm a sinking stone, prone to stay in the fresh pond unseen. I'll be in the jar, camouflage from the open field. The only link is a hollow stem I used to breathe.